Budgeting can seem complex, but what if there's a simple, stable method? Today, we're exploring traditional or incremental budgeting. This method builds on past spending, making small adjustments instead of starting fresh. If you seek an easy-to-implement, continuous financial approach, this video is for you. What is traditional incremental budgeting? Incremental budgeting uses your previous period's budget or actual spending as a baseline, then makes small adjustments. It relies heavily on historical data. Unlike zero-based budgeting, you don't reevaluate every expense from scratch. If you spent $500 on groceries last month, your next budget might be $510. This method assumes past activities and expenses continue with minor changes. It's about gradual evolution, offering ease and stability in financial planning. How traditional budgeting works, step by step. Step 1. Review previous period's budget and actuals. First, gather historical financial data. Compare your last budget with actual income and spending. Identify variances, over-underspending. Understanding past performance is crucial as it forms your new budget's foundation. Step 2. Project future income and expenses. Based on your review, forecast income and expenses for the upcoming period. Consider known changes like salary increases or new bills. Factor in economic trends like inflation. Make reasonable projections based on past trends and anticipated future events. Step 3. Make incremental adjustments. Apply small, incremental adjustments to each budget line. This might be a percentage increase, decrease, or specific changes to categories. For example, increase transportation by 5% for gas, or decrease entertainment by 10%. Justify and document any significant changes. Step 4. Finalize and monitor. Finalize your new budget. This is your financial roadmap. Monitor actual spending against it throughout the period. Regularly check statements and receipts to stay on track. Minor adjustments can be made if deviations occur, but the core budget remains stable. Advantages of traditional budgeting. Traditional budgeting offers several advantages. It's simple and easy to prepare, saving time. It provides stability and continuity, offering a predictable framework. It's familiar to many, making adoption easier. For budgeting beginners, it's a gentle introduction. Disadvantages of traditional budgeting. However, there are drawbacks. It can perpetuate inefficiencies and wasteful spending by carrying over old habits. It may not encourage innovation, focusing on the status quo. It can be slow to adapt to significant changes and doesn't question existing spending levels, potentially missing optimization opportunities. Who is it for? Traditional budgeting suits individuals or organizations with stable income and expenses, where past performance predicts future needs. It's also great for budgeting newcomers. If simplicity and speed are priorities, and you don't expect major financial shifts, this method can be effective. Traditional budgeting offers a straightforward, stable approach to money management. Its reliance on historical data and incremental adjustments makes it easy to understand. While not ideal for dynamic situations or drastic cost-cutting, it provides a solid foundation. Choose the budgeting tool that best fits your goals and lifestyle. Thanks for watching.